Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the essentials: the original 33W or higher charger and a high-quality USB-C cable. Once they're ready, clean the port and remove any thick case so the connector seats fully. Overheating prevents fast charge. Next, open Settings and tap MIUI build 7 times to enable developer options. You need that access to confirm charge mode and see real-time current. This sets up the phone to allow the fast charging parameters you'll verify next. Now you go into developer options and enable USB debugging and the option to view charging current. This gives you feedback. Connect the original charger and observe the status in the notification area. It should say fast charging or charging rapidly. If you want precise values, open a charging monitor app. You should see roughly 30W or higher and voltages around 9V with currents near 3A. If those numbers appear, it proves the phone is negotiating the fast charge profile successfully. Finish by securing the cable and leaving the phone to charge for several minutes while monitoring current. Make sure the connector is fully seated and you aren't using cheap adapters that break PD or QC handshake. If the phone still displays slow charging, reboot and retest with a different certified 33W plus charger to rule out adapter failure. If problems persist, check the port for bent pins or debris, and if needed, visit a service center. Often the charging IC or port needs repair rather than a software fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.